Ganesh Chaturthi. It is celebrated as a rebirth of Lord Ganesha. The elephant-headed Ganesha has a very interesting story. Ganesha was created by Ma Parvati. When Ma Parvati put all the clay in her body and tried to remove it, Ganesha was created from that clay and it came to life. One day Ma Parvati went for a bath and she said, "Don't let anybody enter to Ganesha." Ganesha followed Ma's words and made sure that nobody did enter. During that time, Lord Shiva came to enter. But obviously, as Ganesha was Ma's bhakt and he did not want anybody to enter since Mom had told him about it, so he did not let Shiva enter. Shivji was very annoyed and he was in his anger beheaded Ganesha. Because he was so furious, he did not realize what exactly he did. Ma Parvati saw Ganesha and she was in fumes. Immediately, Lord Shiva felt guilty of his actions. He sent his men and said, "Whichever creature you meet and come across first, please get his head." The first they met was a single-tusked elephant. The elephant was ready to sacrifice his head on his honor. After that, he brought the head to Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva as soon as placed the head on Ganesha and he came back to life. That was a story of regeneration and rebirth, which is the reason why Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated. Then Shivji appointed him the head of Ganas and that's why he was called as Ganpati. Then we worshipped Ganeshji as a god of prosperity and good luck. A god who was to be worshipped first before any auspicious thing happening to the house. Why? Because he was the god who could remove all the evil and bring goodness to your life. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you. Don't forget to tell me how you celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi. Jai Shri Ganesha. Stay blessed, stay loved.